All right, you guys, when you're done making this thing, the grade is that you make a drawing page. So you're not just making this, you're making this. You got to produce that. But to produce that, I want to show you what you need to click on, because the lessons we've been doing has all been about dimensioning things. So we have to practice the dimensioning part of it. So to do that, you click this plus sign here. Yes. And you go to create a drawing. And usually they're ones that we do in landscape, but this one I have in portrait. It fits better. So I'm picking, yours would probably look like that or something. So you're looking for the one that says portrait inch. Yeah. And you can do this right now so that you can, when you make changes, I'll show you how to reset it. So then you pick your part. If it doesn't automatically load this, it will have insert view here. And then you can select your part. And since it's the part you're working on, it should auto open it to that. And you're going to want to place some views, like what the front of it looks like, the top of it. If you want more views, you automatically have projected set up, so we can click this and place the bottom. And you can click this and go off diagonally and place a 3D view. Huh? Huh? They're not counterfeit. Tyco's not a fake brand. Now, to put all the dimensions on it, and if you don't have time to put Lego on the blocks, that's fine. But the dimensions on it, you click here. And you can place a dimension like, let's say, here. So that could be the diameter. If you wanted to put like the height of something, you can click whole side and put the number, or if it doesn't have a single line to click on, you can click 2 points. So that's how you're putting all your dimensions. Think about all the dimensions that you measured. Those are the dimensions that you want to reflect in here, with the exception, of course, that when you dimension circular features, you dimension to their center lines. So you have to grab their center lines. Yeah. It's a portrait, right? Correct? Portrait, yeah. Now, these numbers that you see on mine, they're fake numbers. They're not measured numbers. I just made a certain size one just to show you. Yours wouldn't be these numbers. Inch. So the other thing that you need to know how to do is to type TYP at the end of some of these dimensions. So to do that, I double click a dimension and I click over here in this white space, and I'm just going to type TYP. And then I can click off of it and, oh, actually double click it and put a space in front of it, a space or two. And I can do that here too. So all the ones that we would type TYP with, so that you don't have to dimension all over the place. Go ahead and add that to your dimensions. Consider what we did on the 2x4 Lego that we practiced together. And look at those dimensions. Now, the 2x4 does have the little tabs on the bottom, and there's more features on the bottom. So there's not as many dimensions that you'd put, but you could reference that to consider, okay, what dimensions do I need to put in this one? Make sure that it looks neat and not cluttered. Don't put dimensions on top of it. Make sure that the dimensions come out at a decent distance and they're not like cluttered on top of each other, or it still looks organized. So we'll check that, and then please send me the share link, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll help you. Thank you. Bye.